With the royal wedding right around the corner, we're devoting this entire week to all the pomp and circumstance that'll be taking place across the pond this Saturday. So if you have Prince Harry and Meghan fever, then you're going to love what we're cooking up this week. To start things off, we're making a dish that the Prince and soon-to-be Duchess prepared on that chilly night last November when they got engaged. It's a lemon herb roasted chicken that's so good, it set the perfect mood for popping the question. Our take on it starts by stuffing sprigs of fresh thyme, some cut-up lemon, and cloves of garlic into the cavity of a good-sized roasting chicken. After tying the legs together, we place it in a roasting pan and brush it with melted butter that we've seasoned. Then we surround it with cut-up carrots, onions, and potatoes that we've also seasoned. Can you imagine how nervous Prince Harry must have been that evening? Thank goodness everything worked out perfectly. The ring was spectacular. Meghan said yes, and the chicken was juicy and packed with flavor. To get the recipe for what we call royal roasted chicken, just visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen with Kelly, who's ready to celebrate the royal wedding with style and lots of, ooh, it's so good. Like some?